We have finally made it to the best part of the epoxy river project. So you'll make your mix with a thick pour epoxy and add your pigment or dye of choice. Stir it up really good by hand or with a drill attachment, and then pour that expensive stuff down the river. Torch your bubbles after the pour, and then do it again after like an hour, and then just let it cure for a few days. Once it's rock solid, you'll take all your screws out of the mold, knock your sides off, and then pop your piece loose. Once it's out, it's time to flatten. I'm using a CNC here because I own one, but if you don't have one, you can do this with something called a router flattening sled. After flattening with a router, there's going to be some heavy marks, so I run it through a drum sander, which you can also do this by hand or with an orbital sander. Then you'll cut it to final size, fill any cracks, sand the heck out of it, give it an edge profile, add some feet, oil it up, wipe it down, and you're done. So I'm actually selling this piece to raise money for a trip I'm going on to help build a home for a family in need in Guatemala this July, so please head to the link in my bio to buy this piece or make a donation.